I am going to add some problems to the end of your assignment. They will not be anywhere on a PDF. So if you're working on a PDF and uploading it, make sure you pay attention to the last slides, as I'm going to add some problems. It will only show up on the Jamboard. Okay, so you go out to eat with your parents, and it's a sit-down dinner, and after you, right before you get up off the table, sometimes people take a couple of dollar bills and put it on the table as a tip. So we're going to find out the tip. So let's go to Outback. Okay, I go to Outback. Ooh, I can barely see that. And my bill is $25, and tax is 8.25%, and I want to give a tip of 15%. Okay, this is not add and do percent. It's find percent, find percent. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 25, and I'm going to multiply it by 0.0825. But if I wanted to add it to the bill, I can put a funky one right there, and that automatically adds it to the bill. And so if I multiply 25 times 0.0825, times 25. Okay, so that's my bill, and I'm going to tip off my bill. So then I'm going to do 27.06 times 0.15 is going to be the total cost of my dinner, like from ordering to paying the tax to leaving the tip. So 27.06 times 1.15 gives me 31.19, which is 31.12. So if I have a $25 meal, and I want to think, so I'm looking at the menu and everything adds up to $25, I know if my tax is 8.25% and I'm going to leave a 15%, I'm going to need $31.12 in my bank account to cover the meal. Okay, and if you wanted to know the amount of the tip, you would just do 27 times 0.15. That's what you leave on the table, or you can subtract that out. Okay, so we're going to do bill, then calculate the tax, and then find the tip. Okay, something else that I noticed, and I'm going to demonstrate this. Okay, so if I have a shirt that's $12 and it is 20% off, there's also another statement that you could do, and this is how I do it. $12 is 80% on. So if I want to know the cost of a $12 shirt with 20% off, I'm going to do 12 times 0.02. Oops, sorry. 0.20. And so 12 times 0.20 equals $2.40. And then I'm going to have to take $12 minus $2.40. And that would be $9.60 shirt. Okay? Or I'm going to do 12 times 0.8, as 12 times 0.8 gives me $9.60. So if you ever have a percent off, you can easily do it by doing the percent on. Let me do another example. $20, and it is 25% off. So you do 20 times 0.25, which is 20 times 0.25 is 5, and then 20 minus 5 is $15. Well, 25% off is 75% on, or $20 charge. And so that would be 20 times 0.75 equals 15. So some of you missed one of them. I asked how much off it was, and you calculated it to be 25% off, but the total price was 80% of the price. Okay, so I went over two concepts. I went over the concept of going out to eat, having a bill, paying your tax, leaving the tip. I also went over one more time about discounts, and how you can do 20% off and 25% off by doing the on of the complement.